What's up guys, it's Mubeen Tariq and welcome back to another interesting Adobe Illustrator tutorial. So today we are going to learn about the 8 amazing tools in Adobe Illustrator. So let's start our video. Before starting, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. First of all, open Illustrator, and as you can see this that I have created an artboard here. Now here you can see this is the wet tool. When you right click on this type of window will show in front of you. So today we are going to learn about these 8 tools. The first one is width tool, second one is warp tool, third one is twirl tool, fourth one is pucker tool, fifth one is bloat tool, sixth one is scallop tool, seventh one is crystallize tool, and the 8th and the last one is wrinkle tool. So when you click here, it will show that tools in one window or in one panel. So we will learn about these one by one. For suppose I put it right over here. So first one is the width tool. The shortcut of width tool is Shift plus W. So let's say I draw a square here. I change its color to about red. Now I press Shift plus W on my keyboard, so it will select that width tool. So here you can see this. It is used to decrease or increase the width of your stroke of your image. It will only work on the path, means it will only work on the stroke. It does not work on the fill color or fill shape. Let's say I click here, and now by clicking drag it to the outer side, so it will increase its width. When I move it towards the inner side, it will decrease its size. For suppose I select this shape, and by going to properties I increase its stroke. Let's say like this. Now I select the width tool, click here, and I move it to the inward side, and I again click here. From here I increase its width. From here I again decrease its width. So here you can see this, that how amazingly and quickly you can make this type of abstract shapes like this. Let's say I put it out over here. I select the line tool and I draw a straight line here. I increase its stroke. Select the width tool. It will also work on this because it's a path having only the stroke. So by using this you can make different type of designs by using only this one tool. So the next tool is the warp tool. Select the warp tool. For suppose I draw a square here again. I change its color to something yellow. I select the warp tool and I click here. Now it will use to wrap the stroke. Again keep in mind that it will not work on the fill. It will only work on the stroke. You can move the shape inner side and towards the outer side. Something like this. Just simply click and drag it. But when you double click here, it will open the properties panel of warp tool. Here you can see its width, its height, and its angle also. So let's say I make its intensity to about 20%. I make its angle to about 45. and then OK. By the way, these are the dimensions of the brush. As you can see, this global brush dimensions. OK, now you can see the brush is something like this. What the intensity does, for suppose I make its intensity to 100%. Now when I drag it, it will move until I stop moving it, something like this. And when I decrease its intensity to about 10, now you can see I just move it and it will leave automatically, like this. Next thing is the detail and simplify. You can add details and simplify to the wrap options. In the wrap options, here is an interesting thing, show brush size. This is checked by default. When you uncheck this and then press OK, now you can see this. You can't see the size of the brush, but when you check this one, now you can see the brush size. Simply click here. From here you can reset its all settings and press OK, something like this. Now I hope you guys have understand this. The next tool is Twirl Tool. Let's say I again draw a square here. I select our Twirl Tool. So it is a very interesting tool. So for suppose I'll zoom in, and here I click here, and here you can see this. It will make this type of twirl of that shape from that specific point where I click, something like this. So let's say I delete its fill color, and now I select this one, so it will work the same on the stroke also. You can move this one, and on moving it will also make the twirl of that shape. Let's say I delete this one, I draw a circle here, something like this with a red color. I select this one, our Twirl tool, then I click here. For suppose I decrease its size. So here you can see this. You can make different type of amazing designs by using this one. Let's say change its stroke color, something like this. You can use these tools in many amazing things to create some abstract shapes. Next one is pucker tool, but before that I wanna tell you about the properties of this one, the Twirl tool. Double click here, and it has the same properties I have told you before. So without wasting any time, I simply press cancel, because I have told you about this one when I told you about the wrap tool. So let's say the next tool is pucker tool. I draw a circle again here. I select the pucker tool, and here is an interesting thing in pucker tool. It will also use to wrap the shapes, but the wrap tool only works on the stroke, but the pucker tool will also work on the fill and stroke on the both. Let's say I move it from here and I join this one with this. So as you can see this, now both endpoints of the circle has been joined. When I leave it, the shape will something like this. I again move this from here to here. I join all shapes. Now the shape will something like this. You can do amazing things by using these tools. And it has also the same properties. Next tool is Bloat tool. Select the Bloat tool. Now what it do, for suppose I click here on the path, so here you can see this, that it will increase the size of that shape, something like this. But when you click and hold, then let's see what happen. Then it will increase the size, and it will open that shape in that specific angle and in that specific circle, like this. And here is an interesting thing I want to show to you guys. That is, here is a plus icon in the middle of this circle, the brush. When you click here, when the plus icon is not in the shape, then you click here, the shape will change its direction or shape towards its inner side. But when the plus icon is in the shape, then it will open the shape to the outer side, something like this. So let's say next one is the Scallop tool. I select our Scallop tool, and when you click here, so it will make this type of scallop, like this. For suppose I change its intensity to about 80%, and now you can see what it do. It will make this type of scallops. To the outer side and also towards the inner side. And you can use these shapes or these tools in different types of designs. So here you can see this type of designs can be made by using this tool. Let's say I put it right over here. I change its color to something green. Yes. The next one is the Crystalize tool. So it is a very interesting tool. I change its color to something orange. The next one is Crystalize tool. When I click here, then I click here, it will make the crystals like this, something like this. Click here, move it. Click here and move it to the outer side. So it will make the crystallized shapes, something like this. And you can do amazing things by using these tools. The last one is the Wrinkle tool. As the name shows, it will use to add wrinkles in the shape. Wrinkle tool. It will add some wrinkles like this in your shapes. Just simply rub it wherever you want to add wrinkles. So it will make your shape something like this. So now I hope you guys have understood these all tools, and these are very interesting tools, and you can practice on these tools and you can create many amazing things by using these tools. I hope you guys have understood this tutorial. If yes, then tell me in the comment section of this video. And my Facebook link is in the description of this video. Whatever you create or design by using these tools, don't forget to share me your work on my Facebook. I will definitely see your work. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit that post notification button that you never miss any updates from my channel. Goodbye.